that there. Now, I think it's a little too long in my opinion, so we're going to make it shorter by CV. And we're going to actually get a box. And then select both of them and delete that part. Now here's why I did that, so I can actually make it much shorter. Then okay, what I'm going to do instead is put this box right here, and this is going to make sense. Now, I'm kind of happy with it, how it looks right now. Okay, that is so much better. I'm going to connect the two together. Perfect. I think this is going to look like a cool locomotive when it's going to be built, assembled, in that order. Now, okay, we're going to do that. Now, going to put a box right here. And then we're going to put it right here. Actually, we're gonna CV and CV again. I always make up as I go along, so maybe you'll learn from me. Perfect. This part, what I'm making, is the firebox part. If you can see right here. And now, let's see what... Oh, we can make some couplers. The way I'm gonna do it is put this right here, 2 inches, because I don't know how much a coupler is. Perfect. Now, going to make this piece right here. This is going to be the coupler. Now, for a point of view, we're going to put each one here. Now, what I'm thinking to make these couplers fit in place, CV again, but eraser. Then we're going to put it right there. And then do the same thing on the other side, just to make it easier for the right measurements. Put 2 right here. I'm going to make the smokestack, and the easy way I'm going to do it is put it down to here by 2%, then put it at the same position and like I've done before. Okay, I'm gonna hollow it. It all. get the same piece. I'm gonna find something curvy. Ah, here we go. Put it right there in the center so I can do this. And then I'm going to connect the two together. Add this piece so I can delete the excess. Do that right there and put it right here. Boom. I think it looks pretty good if you ask me. Pretty awesome looking engine. And now, okay. So actually, copy and paste this. We're going to click two. Boom, there it is. Well, I'm always check to make sure it's always perfect before I take it apart. As you see in all these different colors, yeah, I think it's pretty good for now. Wait, one more detail to add is if you add this part, and do this. I have this hole, so I can put it right here. See how I like it. I think this looks pretty awesome and cool. Now then, I always like to check, and maybe just one more thing to add. I always forget things I'm gonna add, but that's okay. That's what's good about making them as you go along. You get to add if you do or don't like it, or you can like take away that you don't want. Yeah, I think this looks pretty cool so far. Yeah, it looks like my type of engine I like to build that's scratch building. Now then, we're gonna take this apart and then move it like this. Once you are almost done, once you're done taking the parts apart, all of these pieces that you saw Locomotive as are now in pieces in the computer. So we're going to select all, and it's all 14, so we're going to click this, and voila! They're all connected. We're going to put this in the middle. There we go. Now, if you see this part right here, you can actually click on this and get to name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it F Locomotive, which means factory locomotive. I'm going to do this. And voila. Then you know what the measuring is. Then you have to click prepare and wait for it. and then save to file. Okay, we got the locomotive complete. Then it has to be G-code file if you want this to work for your printer, and then save. Sometimes you'll get an error. What I do is I do it again. I click what it's now meant to be, and then go back to it so it can actually, voila, save it to file. Once you put it in there, it's simply right into the computer, and there it is. Now the file that I use, that we just put in, is this part, untitled.